This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil GMC Acadia step by step. Start by parking on a level surface and engaging the parking brake, then collect your supplies. The correct oil, a new filter, a drain pan, wrench, funnel, and gloves. Let the engine cool for about 10 minutes to avoid burns. Wear gloves and eye protection, and double-check you have the right oil grade and filter before lifting the vehicle safely. Begin by sliding the drain pan under the oil pan and using the correct wrench to loosen the drain plug. Let the oil drain fully until only steady drops remain, then clean the plug area and reinstall the plug to the proper torque. Next, remove the old oil filter, smear a bit of fresh oil on the new filter gasket, and install the new filter by hand, tightening until snug plus a quarter turn. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more how-to content. Quick recommendation: stay refreshed during maintenance with the Owala water bottle I use on the job. It keeps you hydrated and hands-free while you work, which is oddly satisfying during messy tasks. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the drain plug and new filter secure, refill the engine with the recommended oil slowly using a funnel to prevent spills. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Check the dipstick and add oil as needed until it reaches the full mark, then verify there are no leaks around the drain plug or filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.